Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Midjourney in 2026. So if you want to create AI-generated images from simple text prompts, Midjourney is one of the most popular tools available. First, create a Midjourney account and sign in to the platform. Make sure your subscription and account setup are complete before you begin generating images. Next, access the Midjourney workspace and familiarize yourself with the main interface. You'll typically find areas for prompts, image generation, and your previous creations. To create an image, locate the prompt box and type a detailed description of what you want to generate. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results will usually be. And that's it. That's how to use Midjourney in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.